watch your back when you go through. Yeah, that's my sister and she my best friend. Nobody plays to her, she my right hand. Everlasting best friend. It's me and you riding till you.
What's up, it's HerM&M. It's your girl, Mommy.
It's your girl, Mommy.
Yes, again, man.
And today we're back with another video.
Today we're going to be doing a seafood boil.
Hit that bell notification.
And comment some prank challenges.
Mukbangs and fun activities. Make sure you guys like this video and share and subscribe.
And yeah, let's get to the video.
Now it's going to be beloved.
So y'all, we back and we about to get our plate. So y'all, I got my plate.
We got to eat
She
slow.
got her plate and we got this food.
So,
Right over here.
So we got some
I'm gonna show y'all.
crab.
So y'all, we got some crabs. We got some crabs. Some scrimps, some broccoli, some corn, some potatoes, and over here we got some more corn, some more potatoes, some more broccoli, and some lobsters. And we getting our crabs right now, so yeah. And we got us some drinks, which they got Gatorade. I got water.
Come on.
Cause like, oopsies.
give me
Yeah.
shrimps.
Wait.
You are best sister in the world. Yeah.
Give me another plate.
Everybody getting another.
I need another plate because the crab thing is too big.
Right.
For one plate. And y'all, we got the bag of sauce. And y'all, we got the bag of sauces. Right here. Let me open it. They're not too big. So y'all,
We got me two.
this red sauce. Here you
Mooney.
go. And we got, I can touch my
I
own
know I gotta
scraps.
do 3 at a time.
And we got this butter sauce.
Butter sauce.
And she wants some hot sauce.
I
So.
want this.
Yeah. Can you put some my sauce in it?
Why you want to do it?
I can't
Mooney,
keep
I want
reaching
this.
up.
Touch her hand. See?
Her hand. But yeah.
Mommy, I'm
So-
gonna open this already. And eat now.
That's not yours. Why you keep being thirsty? Oh well.
Y'all stop.
You want some? You just want that?
Yeah.
You don't need no hot sauce in it. So this is
Now,
hers.
mommy, can I eat now?
Wait,
Wait,
yeah,
we're
wait.
gonna get your lobster.
If I did your lobster,
So can you give us our lobster, Mommy?
sure.
I guess I like.
Here's mine.
Oh,
butter sauce.
I don't need.
I
this
barely
for
like
this.
butter sauce anyway.
I don't
Here
like
go the napkins.
sauce. I don't like this,
Here go the lemons.
mommy. I don't like this
Here go
because it's
her.
nasty.
Here go my lemons.
Mommy,
Ain't asked. No, I'm just playing. You ain't even in the camera. Y'all finna dog it. No, I'm just playing.
I'm gonna
yeah.
eat it.
Here
This
go your
yours?
ouch.
I don't like that. I don't like that, mommy.
Is you finna pour the hot sauce in my butter?
I'm about to. Come
Post
on.
I need
some
black
in there
pepper.
too.
You don't need all that.
I mean seasoned salt.
See, y'all pouring the hot sauce.
Put me
in there.
some in there too.
You don't need no. You just trying to be like me.
I didn't want to do it.
So y'all, the rest of the stuff we're just gonna dig in the pan.
That's all you need.
I need a lot of hot sauce.
I did put a lot. Y'all, they being a little extra.
You being a little extra.
I also finna eat.
Eat.
Yeah, so we'll be back in a week faster when we get ready. So y'all, we back and we about to
What's up, my beloved? So today, guys, we doing seafood boil.
And y'all, we got our
So let's
lobster.
get
We got it out the way.
I got everybody a lobster, period.
So I'm finna start.
I'm about to eat my lobster first. Let me show them the lobster. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, Yeah, this is
Say the
gonna
first
be
question.
good.
Y'all, we about to do Q&A with it.
Right.
First question is,
I wanna go first.
how old are you?
Is 5.
I'm 9.
I'm 11.
And yeah, next question.
I'm going next.
Period.
Alright.
Y'all, I'm putting out my lemons right now. You
Next.
gotta be showing them.
What's the question?
Next question is,
What's your favorite color?
what's your favorite color?
Light pink and light blue.
My favorite color is all type blues. I'm a blue gang.
My My favorite color is
that?
pink and
What was that?
What?
That you put over
I
there?
put over that yo top.
my favorite color is
Yeah, I got my butter and my
pink with
red sauce. So she needs to put her stuff.
Wait,
in.
let me talk.
No,
My
my turn.
first
And here go your red one.
color.
Can you be quiet so she could talk?
My
Because
first color is
got my
pink
water.
and
Your stuff gonna be like that.
orange and purple
Pink, orange.
You might as well say the whole thing. But y'all, yeah. So.
and red.
I ain't got no question right now.
Y'all, she overdoing it with the colors. You should just say the whole
And
color.
What's your favorite fruit? Man, strawberry.
man is cereal.
I actually like.
Cereal.
I actually no. Her favorite food is bananas, girl.
I don't like.
We gotta give y'all some stuff about my baby brother.
Right,
So hey, AJ, his favorite fruit is bananas. Right. Yeah, his favorite food is.
No stuff in that
Sorry, y'all.
More shrimps?
Sorry,
Mhm.
Is it?
Alright, don't touch no more shrimps because y'all not ate too many.
Okay.
Shut up.
I do.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, this is. I just put out that.
and
It's a lot of corn.
Alright, next question.
Wait.
I got a lot of questions.
You too.
I don't.
I ain't just eat my
Put this over. My nails just gonna spin off the thing.
yeah. But Moosey is down here.
Next
Why y'all
question.
keep drinking the Gatorade? You drink a pop. Dang. What is the Gatorade?
We don't supposed to drink pop with this.
Stop talking to me.
You messing up the video.
I just said wait till I watch.
So yeah, we back.
What my
Lobster.
Here goes scissors.
Right there. Alright, next
You want a
question.
lemon?
Of course.
Here go the sauces in here.
Exactly.
Next question.
Moosey.
I'm saying
So
better
y'all-
than
Next
that.
question
I just put
is
out one of these. Let me just say.
who
I'm not even putting
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Funny Mike.
and my favorite YouTuber is Lucas and Monkey.
Oh my god.
Who your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber is Funny Mike too.
My other favorite YouTuber is Chad and V.
Me too.
We said one, not two.
You can say two.
I thought you was eating like vanilla.
Yeah, this is so good.
Let me
And
borrow this.
Next question.
I questioned a lot of questions, y'all know.
I mean,
What's your favorite color?
We already asked that. Just say your favorite color.
My favorite color pink, blue, and purple.
Trying to be like me.
I think it's a lot of people in the world that like blue.
Girl, you talking about
My mama do too. Oh, I'm like blue.
Royal blue.
let me bother this scissors real quick.
You can.
And
I hate mama think she know everything.
Cause I do, period.
Like you don't.
wait, I don't even need these.
You not even showing them how your stuff look. Just trying to hurry up and eat all of it.
Mommy,
Y'all ate too many shrimps.
See
We
now,
only got 3 scrimps, girl. Fat.
we only each got 5.
You got more than us, so I don't know why you talking.
Who, me?
yeah,
Y'all not getting no more.
Cause I
We don't want no more. We was basically all we was wanting was crackers.
right.
I
Yeah,
have to
scrimps
get my
monkey.
lobster.
Just but yeah, next question. Man, big. See, look. Stop eating it. I'm about to dip it.
Man, I did.
I don't like this. I probably get this out.
Let me see. What's that?
It's like them little paws and
Mooney, look.
what's that?
Mooney, look.
What?
That's dookie. I'm just playing.
Quit, mom. Girl.
Stop. I ain't gonna eat this.
Now you know.
She
Watch
is
out.
dogged that off camera.
But y'all, this how it look, but I'm about to dip it in the sauce. I'm about to dip it in the sauce.
Right, bro.
I just don't know how to get this lobster
Shut up.
tail out.
I'm about to squeeze this sauce.
You do not have to
Yes, I do.
do all of that.
I broke it off,
Yeah.
so.
My nails gonna be smelling just like seafood. So I gotta make a thing of water. 5 elopes, so 5.
What be lovely with you?
I don't know what she is, but
She used big one. Big
No,
size.
you don't even know what she's talking about. What are you talking about?
Where's my other? Oh,
This tastes weird.
this tastes so fast.
Girl, put that on me. Next question.
Next question.
Okay. What do y'all want to be when you grow up?
Me?
I want to be a.
Wait, let her talk first.
I want to be a grown up.
I'm talking about
Well,
when I say that, I mean by
Oh Lord.
I'm a
dream.
bad.
What's your
What's
dream?
your dream?
Going now?
I'm a
When you grow up.
be a super girl.
she don't know. Next.
I want to own my own hair shop
I want to
and
be
makeup shop.
me and her. I ain't gonna say it.
I want to go to the
I'm
nail
talking
shop.
about child, what about yourself, not about with nobody.
I want to go to a nail shop.
So I'm planning to do nails and makeup and hair. I don't even know how to do hair. Yeah,
I
I'm
was
just
just gonna say.
I'm just trying. First of all, and second of all, stay out my business.
Y'all got mannequins that don't need.
I do.
do it
Mommy don't know what
24/7.
she's doing with weed.
Cause I barely.
Cause she
use
tried to
it.
do a box braid.
Ah.
You should see your box braid. Y'all not even showing
At
up.
least man's over the ponytail.
Boom.
I said I was getting in the counter.
Alright, next question.
They
You could
they
just
hear
put
my
your
voice.
food in the camera.
Next question.
Next question is
What do you want to live? What city do you want to live in? when you
I
grow
want
up?
to live.
That's a little too much information, baby.
No, where you want to go? You get what trips you want to take? What type of trips you want to take?
I'm gonna take
I want to go to Atlanta, Miami,
You want to go
Vegas.
there?
I want to go to yours too, Moosey.
I want to go.
Ooh, yeah.
What?
Oh, it just broke up. I'm trying to get. Ooh,
I think I want to go to California.
look at this. It
Oh.
looks so good. I'm about to squeeze some lemon.
I know where I should go.
I want to go to Houston.
I want to go in swimming house. By the swimming pool. I'm talking about my house by the swimming pool. Talk about
We
that
talking about something else,
that house it's new and it's by the swimming pool.
She don't even know what she's talking about.
So don't just talk.
Oh, what was the question?
Man, your business.
Girl, be quiet and eat that. You just trying to show out because the camera on.
What was the question again?
What do you want to travel?
You're right. What do you want?
I want to travel to Disney, but I'm scared because it'd be like stuff on TikTok of people
Let me
doing
see.
like scary stuff.
Shut up!
I know you scared, girl.
Stop talking to me.
No, I don't really even want to go to no.
Let me use that.
You know she's scared.
Stop talking to me. Five. Show you.
She not even talking to you.
I'll show you something.
Randy, be quiet. Did
Right.
she just tell you you
No,
should
I
not
didn't.
on
Shut
camera? Alright, next question.
Ooh.
Gosh, never ate that.
No, it's fine.
Mommy, you asked the question now. Cause you been
While you was gone,
quiet.
I asked like every question that before we did.
Let me see.
She only asked like 3 questions.
Ask me the questions I asked.
I asked what was our favorite color. I asked how old you is. I asked I think that's it.
Right.
Oh, I know.
This juicy.
I
Y'all,
ain't giving nobody my age.
y'all, this I'm gonna eat this last.
I'm not giving nobody my age.
This do.
Dookie.
I thought it
We're saying that, y'all.
Right, cause
Oh,
that's
God.
on camera.
Money.
Girl.
And
you always gotta eat
y'all,
it like that.
I got a plate for Nana.
Yeah, she overdoing it. I want some potato.
One thing that we hate about each other.
Money, what I hate about money, she talk too much.
What I hate about Moosey, she ugly too much and she keep on talking too much. Oh,
She
look
don't
at
even know if
this,
she just said
y'all.
she talking
Look
about she
at
acting too
that.
much.
Since you be acting like beloved.
No, watch out.
No,
Ooh,
one
y'all,
thing I
look
hate
at
about
that.
one thing I hate about Moosey, she keep thinking she somebody mama. Keep on.
I already know what she hate about me.
What?
When I keep thinking that I know everything.
Oh.
About you?
She think
About
that's
me.
the one thing that she hate about me. When I keep on thinking like I know everything.
Ooh.
Like if she say,
Oh,
like, 'cause
look at that.
it was a video of me. I posted on TikTok, and then she thought I put sunglasses. Then I said, no, I did not put sunglasses. She told my Shane to the Z. Then she told me some
Z.
I said G, and then that's when I said some like I know everything, and then she gonna tell me some she gonna say some oh yeah, she said what thinking that's one thing I hate about you when you keep on thinking that you know everything. Then it went from there.
And this how Moochie look.
Show them how she.
This how Moochie look.
Ain't
Now
nothing.
she doing too
And
much.
this how I look.
Like a snitch.
She is.
And this how Mooney look.
I don't look like nothing.
You look
And
like
this how
her.
Mommy look.
But me, myself, and I. Period. This how
How
you
mommy
look.
look?
Next question.
Hey, money.
Huh?
Money talking about you like a bird.
I ain't say that.
One thing I hate about Moosey is no. One thing I hate about her, she steady touching my phone.
And
One thing I hate about Mooney, one thing I hate about Money is she talks too much. One thing I hate about Mooney, she swears she could beat the whole world.
and one
One thing I hate about Mommy is
I keep jumping.
let me talk.
she stay in everybody's business but her own.
But I don't got no business to talk about.
I'm just saying in general.
Don't put that in my mouth.
Oh,
Let me see you. Ain't nothing in that. Go.
That shit is. It's
that
me.
was a good one.
Period. Show the camera.
Right, period, Pooh.
I knew. No, it's not.
Alright, next question.
I'm not going.
That.
I'm not standing up.
We ask Money what's our favorite fruit. She told my cereal.
Cause
No.
cereal is.
Yeah. Oh, ouch.
I mean, something that ain't even no food. That's just breakfast, but
Still.
What breakfast?
What's your
we
favorite
barely
thing to-
eat it. Let's be honest.
What
We barely even eat
breakfast?
cereal. We eat nothing but restaurant too.
What breakfast do y'all like?
My favorite breakfast is cereal.
My
I eat a cow.
Man's eggs and
sausages
yeah. And waffles.
and
I
pineapple.
like waffles, but my favorite food, quick to eat, is cereal.
My favorite breakfast is ice cream.
My favorite.
You
my
don't even eat ice cream.
I just like ice cream.
Uh,
Every time we go to McDonald's, guess what I get? Ice cream in the burger.
what's our favorite restaurant? Man's Chipotle.
Mine is Taco Bell.
My favorite restaurant is White House.
Mine is.
No, it's White. I got a lot of favorite restaurants. It's Popeyes, White Castle. Used to be McDonald's.
Ooh,
You
y'all
doing a little
look.
too much with the showing them.
Ooh, y'all look. They
Money,
believe to
them
that.
baby bites.
They want to see some giant bites.
Look, Mooney, watch this at the camera.
The camera stopped.
No, I didn't.
Stop playing.
Right, sir.
Just say something. Y'all don't have to cut this out.
No.
Yeah, cut it out.
Hold on, y'all. We'll be back.
I'm gonna go this.
Sorry, y'all. We back.
Get slapped up on camera. I'm just
Last video was funny. I was cheating for money.
right. So Shane went like I feel like I should slap her right now.
Nah.
I have 6 shrimp.
Don't pop that in my ass.
You want some shrimp?
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Get 'em.
No, don't touch. I'm talking about your shrimp on your plate.
Oh yeah, you know I do.
Hey,
Only got
pause that again. Pause that again. You gonna just have to delete that whole thing. So we really
Yeah, but that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you guys turn on that post notifications. And comment some print challenges, mukbangs, some fun activities. And yeah, we love y'all. And make sure I give this video a big thumbs up. So more videos coming soon.